Hi, Annabelle Williams
and Nikki Moore from Fine & Country.
Today we are in Kenilworth, just a short walk away from the town centre.
This desirable location has a vast array of restaurants, shops and cafes. It also hosts many historical sites such as Kenilworth Castle and the Elizabethan Gardens.
The Hollies, 48 New Street, is a stunning Grade 2 listed Georgian villa. We believe it dates back to circa 1723.
Come inside and we'll tell you a little bit more about the property.
This charming property provides almost 5,000 square feet of living space with many period features. The ground floor has a total of 3 reception rooms, including a snug with an open fire, dining room and living room. To the rear of the property is a kitchen with planning potential for a large open plan kitchen diner. There is also a separate WC and utility room. The main bedroom hosts wonderful views of the garden through the bay windows. It has an accompanying access to a separate WC and room that provides great potential for an ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. Set over the first floor are 3 large double bedrooms, one with an ensuite, all with fireplaces and fitted furniture, providing hanging and shelving space. The second floor would easily lend itself to a further 3 bedrooms with 2 large ensuites which overlook the garden. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed the tour.
If you would like more information or to arrange a viewing, you can reach out on the contact information that follows.
Have a great day.